Hey gang, I got a surprise for you. I completed the Strava integration, uses OAuth 2.0 for any programmers out there. So it's very secure. But anyway, the idea here is if you need to authorize Strava, your Strava account to the Tri Club Challenge, just like you do with any other app. If you integrate Strava with Garmin or with Training Peaks or anything like that, it's the same method. I'm following the same standard procedure using the webhooks that they recommend to do. But anyway, I've been testing it for about a week, and it's working pretty good, and it's really no different than anyone else does it. A couple of things I would just want to show you how to do it, but one thing I want to make sure you know is make sure you're at the website properly here, www.triclubchallenge.com. There's some redirects that take you to the same place. Like if you use without the www, the Strava part just doesn't work because they're pretty particular about the URL that gets past that. So anyway, just make sure if you have some funky issues, if you don't have the www.triclubchallenge here, it won't work. Anyway, so all you have to do is go over to the menu here and click the Connect with Strava. Okay, and it takes you to the authorized Strava page. And I know it's an extra step, but I have to do this for a reason. That's kind of technical. Hopefully I can get rid of it eventually, but it works. Then you click the Connect with Strava. And if you're not logged in, if you're already logged into Strava on your browser, it won't bring you to this page. But if you need to if you're not logged in, you'll have to log into your Strava account. This is your Strava account, and then this page comes up. If you, like I said, if you're already logged in, this page won't. This page will come up, and you won't even see the login screen because it just uses the login you're in. You click Authorize. It brings you back to the page, and then up in the top you see Successfully Organized Authorized Strava. It usually doesn't take that long. It takes, I mean, it's not a second. It can take up to 15 to 20 seconds. So just be patient till you see that. If it doesn't work, it'll give you an error up there, and I will need those codes, the information on there to be able to figure it out. Anyway, so then if you look at your account, you can always check to see your status in terms of Strava by looking at your account here. If you go to your account by clicking the little avatar with your initials on it and click account, it'll tell you, in my case, since I've authorized to Strava, it says Strava is authorized, Strava ID that's my athlete ID on Strava. So it's all working. Now, anytime a new activity, okay, it doesn't work for updating activities, only new activities. Anytime a new activity is Strava account, then it'll be tied to your account here, and you have to be on a team and you have to be in a challenge, otherwise it won't work because it won't know where to put it. And it doesn't happen immediately. Strava doesn't just immediately send it when the activity gets created. It does these things in batches every 15 to 30 minutes. So it can maybe take up to 30 minutes for the activity to appear. But if you've got it set up where it automatically goes to Strava from your watch or whatever, you won't have to enter it again in the challenge. And by the time you get home or wherever you were from, it should be out there. But just be a little patient. It doesn't happen instantly. So the other thing is, so I could, if I logged into Strava here, well, you can just enter an activity in Strava. However the activity gets there, you can do it. Okay, the second thing is the other way you can actually authorize Strava is you can go in to your account, and if you're not authorized to Strava, it'll say down here, your Strava is not authorized, and you can click that connect to Strava button, and it'll take you right to the other page, the same one I'm getting over here. So by going into your account, you can see if you've already done that, because you only have to authorize with Strava once. All the refreshing of tokens to keep it secure and everything happens in the code behind the scenes. You don't have to worry about that. You just need to authorize Strava once. If you want to deauthorize Strava, I mean, I suppose I could put a, out of my way, I need to get to that other, there we go. Want to deauthorize Strava, you can do it through Strava. This is another way you can look to see if it's done. You can stop watching this or listening to this if you want, because it's not, it's, come on, I want to log into Strava here. Switch. Okay. Log in. Sorry. This is the end of it, but I wanted to show you what you could do in Strava here. So if you log into Strava, why is it not logging in? Okay, so if you go log into your Strava account, if you wanna, you can go to settings in your Strava account. If you go to my apps over here, you can see that the Tri Club Challenge would be on there. And if you want to deactivate, you can just say revoke access there. I could put a button on our screens, but I didn't do that. So anyway, that's kind of the end of it. If you have issues, talk to your team leader.